how to copy and paste on your MacBook. We can use mouse or keyboard. First, right-click on the object you want to copy and then search for copy. Click in the empty area, right-click and paste item. Now we got copy of this folder. Let's try with keyboard shortcut. So I select this with the left click and then I press Command C and then Command V. So here's the difference between Mac and Windows. It's not Ctrl C and Ctrl V, it's Command, the one next to the space bar, alright? So just keep that in mind. Instead of Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, on Mac we press Command C and Command V. And that's all. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.